So I'm about to tell you how you can easily make meditation videos like this.
This meditation will help to calm down your overthinking mind. It will help you to be present so that you can simplify and clear the clutter of your mind.
There are millions of people that are looking for these type of videos because they need peace and relaxation right now, and you can be the one to provide it for them while also making hundreds to thousands in a single day. And the way I'm about to show you how to do this,
you won't even need to use your own voice.
And you'll be able to do this all in less than 5 minutes. We're going to be using a tool that will actually do most of the work for you. It's going to provide the meditation. It's going to give you a voiceover for this. It will basically create and edit this entire video for you. And the best part, you can do this from your computer or from your phone. What's up guys, this is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use. But first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So I want to start off by giving you a few examples of the type of videos that we need to create. They are very basic, simple videos. Most of them only have one video clip in it playing throughout the entire video of like maybe a beach or some other type of serene background. Another thing that's important that it has is some soothing music. And of course it has the voiceover, the voice speaking that's guiding you through the meditation.
Focus on being mindful. Finding that point where you are completely aware of the now.
And like I said earlier, you won't have to do that part. I'm going to show you how to legally use another voice in the meditation. Now, if we head over to Blvd, this is going to show us the amount of money that some of these channels are making. Like Mindful Movement, it is bringing in about $8,000 a month. There's another channel that's making similar videos and is making about $4,000 a month. Another channel called Great Meditation that's creating these type of videos is bringing in $11,000 a month. So as I'm showing you, many people are having success with making these type of videos and getting paid. And you can also make these amounts and even more. Now, I do want to be upfront and honest with you. This is going to take some work because the people that are making these amounts of money every month, it didn't just happen to them. They actually had to work hard to get to this point. So I want you to just be prepared for that. And in case you are wondering, how do these people even get paid? How does all of this work? Once they put out enough videos and are able to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, then they can get accepted into YouTube's partner program. And that's where YouTube will place ads in the videos, and then you are paid a certain amount of money. And on next week, I am going to be doing a video where I go deeper into how getting paid on YouTube works. I'll even bring you into my creator studio and show you how I am paid, show you what I am paid. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you do not miss out on that one. Now let's move on to finding the right videos to create. And one of the ways that I do that, I go straight to the source. I go right here on YouTube and I type in whatever niche I'm looking for, which at this time we're focusing on meditations. And then I'll scroll through, find a video that has some good amount of views and click on that channel. I want to go to the most popular video. And when you're looking through these videos, sometimes you'll find some that has millions of views, but it's from 10 years ago. I always make sure that I am looking for videos that did well in the last year. But you don't want to do anything beyond that because you want to get videos that are relevant today that people are interested in now. And scrolling through, we come across this video right here. It was 7 months ago and it has gotten 1 million views. So that's a good amount of views. It's a good time frame. And then we need to look at the title. What is the topic that they talked about? So that's something that we need to write down and do because it's working. Another thing you can do is use a tool like vidIQ, and with vidIQ you can actually search for the keywords that people are looking for. Like for instance, if we type in meditation, that has over 10 million searches. However, the competition is really high, so if you do that video, you'll probably get lost in the search results, which we don't want. You can sub it down even more and look for a specific type of guided meditation for anxiety, for peace. Abundance is really big right now. And if you're like, you know what, I don't want to do any manual labor, they have a part to this where they have an AI coach that you can actually type in what type of meditation videos can I make for my channel, and it'll give you a list of videos they believe will work and align with your audience and your channel. And they pull all of these stats from YouTube. So this is a really cool tool, is one that I use. And if you are interested in getting this, I have a link down below that will allow you to get your very first month of this for only $1. So make sure you check that out in the description. But at this point, once we did the research, we can actually start creating the video. And the tool that we are going to be using for this, that's going to make it really easy. I'm trying to keep things easy for you this year, but that tool is InVideo AI. Now I put a link down below for you to sign up, and you can get a free account for this if you want to get started on your computer. There's also an app, but the app is only for iPhone users. I'm sorry, my Android people, I believe they are working on an app for Android, but right now it's just iPhone. But all of you that have Android, you can still get an account and do it from your computer. So once you grabbed your free account and you log in, this is the first screen that you will see. And then we'll just select create AI video. And from here, we're going to go to the top of the screen and we're going to select workflow. What we are going to create is what's called a YouTube explainer video. So now what's going to happen is going to ask you a few questions so that it can get started with creating the video that you want. And the first question is going to be, how long do you want it? And you can actually make videos up to 30 minutes. I suggest keeping it shorter when you are first starting out with using this tool so that you can get more use out of this, anywhere from like maybe 2 to 5 minutes. And this next box is where you enter your prompt. And your prompt is basically, what do you want this to do? What type of video do you want this to create? And what you put here is going to be really important because you want it to make the correct type of video. So I created a free prompt for you to use. I put it down in the description, and that's just to keep you on track, making sure you're giving it the right information so that you can get the best results. So I asked it to create a 2-minute guided meditation for peace in stressful situations. Make the speaker speak slow. The tone should be calm and soothing. The voice should be soft and whispery. So since I put everything that I wanted in that first box, I'm going to skip the next 2 boxes and we're going to come down here to the settings. And in the settings, it is going to be where you are able to pick the voiceover that you want. And this is just honestly preference, what you feel like you like. I hear a lot of meditation videos that have female voices, so that's what I'm going to pick for gender. As far as the accent I want, there are many different ones that you can choose here. I'm going to go with a clear American accent just because I'm in America. Now, when it comes to these type of meditation videos, I've also noticed that none of them really have subtitles. Now, if you want to kind of stand out and be different, you can add subtitles to this because maybe people may want to read along, but I'm going to go without. However, if you do want to add subtitles, you'll just come here and select what type. And after that, all you have to do is hit continue and generate. And from there, it's going to ask you a few more questions just to make sure it's creating the video you want. It wants to make sure that you have the right audience look and feel, as well as the platform. And you can choose whichever you prefer. I like the ones that it already chose, so I'll just hit continue. And it's going to combine all of those things. And then in a few minutes, you'll have a completed video.
Greetings, dear friend. Welcome to your sanctuary of peace. Envision a haven where the chaos of the world fades into a distant murmur. Here, we will explore the tranquil depths of your mind, guiding you to a place of calm and tranquility.
So watching this video back, I feel like she was speaking a little too fast. I don't feel myself that I was actually able to relax while listening to it. And that's really important, especially if we're doing videos about meditation and we want this to get views and people to continue to come back to the channel. So there is actually a way that you can edit this. You can come down to this edit command box, and just like we gave it a prompt to tell it what type of video to create, we can give it another another prompt and tell it what we want it to change. And one of the things that's important is the pacing of this media. That's going to slow everything down. So I'm going to ask it to make the media pacing very, very slow. I'm going to also ask it to increase the music volume to about 55% because we want that music to kind of carry us into the relaxation as well. And another thing, the voice, it was kind of chippery and high, and you know, in these relaxation videos the tone is a little more calm. So I'm going to ask them to change the voiceover to a young male with a slow speaking voice. You may have to play around with this a little bit until it gives you the exact result that you want. And you can also manually edit this by clicking on this edit button, going up here to the top to media. You can change the clips in it if you don't like it, or if you want to change something in the script, you'll just hit script and do that. However, me myself, I am going to just let them do the work by just telling them what to do. I'm going to act as a supervisor today.
Greetings, dear listeners. Today we'll journey into the tranquil world of meditation. Find a comfortable position. Let your body relax, your mind quieten, and your spirit awaken. Now prepare to delve into a serene state of mind. Close your eyes. As you do, take a moment to feel the subtlety of the connection between your body and the surface beneath you.
And you don't have to just do guided meditation, and you can do like simple short prayers for people to start their day. You can also do videos for people to just listen to affirmations for the day. So those are just some things to keep in mind when you are actually choosing which route you want to go with these type of videos. But all of those work well. So let me know down in the comments what you think about that final video. But from there, we're going to come over to export, and if you have the free version, it will make you save this video with the watermarks that come in the video, and those look like this, which kind of makes the video not look professional. And it'll also have the NVIDIA AI branding in the corner. And if you are really wanting to make the amount of money that I showed you that these type of channels can make, then I highly suggest that you save these videos without those watermarks and without that NVIDIA branding. And in order to do that, you do have to get the paid plan, and those actually start for as low as $20 a month, and with everything you get, honestly, is worth it. So I do actually have the plus version, so I am going to go ahead and download it. And I created a brand new YouTube channel, which is really easy and simple to do, and I am going to just upload it over there. And when you do so and they ask you for the title, make sure that you give it a title that was similar to the one that you saw was doing well. Now, we don't want to copy what people are doing verbatim. So we'll bring that number down, and we can put guided meditation journey to inner peace. Other keywords that work is stress relief, anxiety relief, relaxation. Again, I want you to realize that this does take time. A flower won't grow just because you put seed in the dirt. You have to water it and nurture it. And that's the same when it comes to growing anything on YouTube. But I am looking forward to hearing about your success. I don't care if it's one and it's your mama, because that's how I started, that one view from my mama. So other than that, I thank you so very much for watching. And until next time, we are out. Peace.